Hello students, welcome to the Alpha Vida Sankul online classes. Students, today's topic is letter writing, and this is a complaint letter. In the previous video, we did what a letter to editor, and this is what complaint letter. How to write a complaint letter. There are different types of complaint letters, but the format is same. See, you know that this complaint letter and letter to editor all are what? Format letters. The format of the format letters are same. Whatever the format you apply in the letter to editor, here also we have to apply the same thing. Okay, there is no difference. See, the first one we have to apply here, students. The first one is what we apply here, sender's address. What? Sender's address. Okay, and number 2, date. Number 3, receivers address. And number 4, here students you write salutation. Salutation. Number 5, subject. Number 6, body. Body of the letter. Number 7, complementary closing. Complementary closing. Let me tell you students here. The first one, number 1, sender's address. Sender's address means you will find here, and you need to study. You have to read carefully the question. Question is very important. See, you are Jack, means male. You are a boy, you say Jack. And you are Amanda. This Amanda is the name of girl. If you are a girl, then you need not to write your name or your own name. You have to apply this. A resident means the person who lives there. Resident of Amar Colony. And Amar Colony is the name of colony in the city. What is the name of the city? In Surat. And the pin code is 210. Write a letter to RAS Electronics. The shop name is what? The name of the shop is RAS Electronics. Anjal Street. Where Anjal Street is? Where it is in Surat. And why you are writing letter to the company, to the shop, means complaining about washing machine bought last month. You bought a washing machine from that shop, so there is some defection. It's not working properly. That is why you request to the company, to the shop, to replace the item at the earliest. At the earliest, as soon as possible. At the earliest means here. You know that the address is what here. What is the address? Your address. This is your colony. You are residing. You live. It is not actually, It is not actual one. This is my imagination. I write. I assume it. Where? Surat. 210. Full stop. Then you skip a line here. Then the next is that. 24 August 2020. Finish. But don't forget, don't write August. If you write this system, this format, that is wrong, student. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. And another way of writing is like this also. 24 slash, both this format are incorrect and they are not applicable here. So only the format is, if you write formal letters, informal letters, if you write, you should not notice writing also, any writing, in any writing works, you don't use this format, you have to use this full, like this. And skip a line. Okay. Then receiver's address. Students, you know, the receiver's address is where have to we send the letter. We have to send the letter RAS Electronics Anjali Street. But here is one problem. I would like to clear your idea. When we write the receiver address, this is not only for this, for all the complaint letters, letter to the editors, letter to inquiry letters, okay, and letter to place the order. If you want to buy something, you can order anything. That time also, when we write the receiver's address, students, we have to write a designation. To whom you are going to write? You are writing to letter to the director, to the principal, to the police officers, to the sales managers, okay, to the proprietor. We have to write. Here designation is required. Suppose the first you have to write to the and it is a shop, that is why I would write here sales manager. You can say proprietor also, director also, but here I use here the sales manager. The sales manager, comma, what is the shop? RAS Electronics. RAS Electronics. Electronics, and the address is Anjal Street, University, Surat. Full stop. Then we have to skip a line. Then what will be here? Salutations. Many times, students, you will find the salutations comes here and the subject comes here. Accents, they replace the place. Salutations comes here, subject comes here, and many times. But this format is the latest version. Okay, it is the latest version. So we apply. If you write here subject first, it's okay. But if you write this is the latest style. So salutations. We don't know the manager is male or female. Do you know? Nothing is mentioned here. And the manager is a lady or a gent. We don't know. That is why the best way is you use sir. Okay? And many times you will see respected sir, dear sir. Okay, leave it. Don't bother about that. Okay, the best way is only you use sir. And that is very common. There will be no mistakes, no error is found. Sir, then, no here. What will be here? If you like the salutation sir, then the next is what? Subject. And writing subject is very important. How to define, how to, suppose you want to complain. What is the main thing is, you know, the officers, the sales managers, the principals, the directors, the prime minister, the officers they are very busy. They do not have time to read all your letters. What you are writing, they have no time. If even they have time, they are not interested in reading all your letter. So first of all, they will see what is the subject, what is the letter about, and they will read only the subject. After reading the subject, they will understand and the letter is about this or that. That is why the subject is very short. It is not more than suppose 8-9. You cannot write the subject 10, 15 words, not like that. It is only 3, 4, 5, and it should be very short and sweet. The content should be very meaningful and perfect, and it should be short. And precise matter. Here, say, this is about, we will get the theme, the informations of how to write the subject. What is about that? You want what? Replace the item, or your item. Okay. The item you bought from the shop. So we can say replacement of what? Replacement of what? Washing machine. Here I am giving the washing machine. If you buy mobile, then you can say replacement of mobile phone. Model number, Samsung or whatever the company. If you buy the laptop and Lenovo, whatever you have. And it is only examples. You can ask to replace any item if it is not working. It is within the guarantee and warranty period. You can ask the company or the shop to replace the item. They will do it, sure. Subject replacement of washing machine. Then see here, salutation number 4. See, the first one is student, you see. This one is what? Number 1. And this is that number, it is 2. And this from here to here is number 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Salutation. Salutation here, this is number 5. And number 6, this is number 4, not 5. And the subject, this is and this is number 5. And the body. And the body will be here, student. The body will be here. And after the body, what will be here? Complementary closing. So there is no space, student. I will write here. See, I will give you. Students, this body. If this body comes here, this is the point number 6. Point number 6. This body, B-O-D-Y. In letter writing, students, the best way of expression if you make this body in 3 paragraphs. If you express in 3 paragraphs, the first one is intro. Intro means what? Introduction. Introduction. And number 2 is content. And number 3 is what? Conclusion. And this is the best way. And the last number 7 is what? The number 7 is complementary closing. CC means complementary closing. Then you have to say what? Yours. When the students write letter to the principal or to the madam or sir, then they use what? Obediently. Yours obediently. But these complaint letters, letter to the editors, any officers, we don't use this word. Okay, obediently is for the students. And the best way we use sincerely and faithfully. For this complaint letters, replacement or letter to the editors, the best way is you use truly. This is very common. Okay, yours truly. And this is called complementary closing. So let's apply whatever we have learned, these formulas we need to apply here. See, the first one is what? Now this is the answer, students, our question answers. Answers, the first is what? The address of the sender's address. This is sender's address is Amar Colony, Surat. And we skip a line here, that 24 August 2020. And the next is what? Receiver's address. You are writing to the salesman, to the sales manager, to the sales to the sales manager. What is the shop or company? Raj Electronics. Raj Electronics. What is the address? Anjal Street. Where? In which city? Surat. Full stop. And you skip a line here, students. Then what is that? Salutation, sir. And the next is subject. The subject is replacement of washing machine. Replacement of washing machine. And then here, students, we have to start writing what will we write? We have to write here and it is the body. I purchase a washing machine. I purchase a washing machine from your shop last month. Okay, here I purchased a washing machine from your shop last month. Here the bill number is 205. On what date I bought? 27 July 2020. This. Unfortunately, the machine, your product is not walking, not walking properly. I found many problems while it is walking. It is walking. I would like to request I would like to request you to replace the item. So then this is the introductory part. Here it is the introductory part. So this part 1, and this is the part of body. I told you that in the body we have divided 3 parts. One is introduction, the second is what? Content, the third one is conclusion. This is the first part. So there is no space, let me write this. Here, this is the body of the second part, Say, I regret to tell you that the machine is not working properly. It is not working properly. It creates noises and stops all of a sudden. All of a sudden. Our clothes do not get properly washed. And remain dirty. Hence, we face many problems. The dryer is also not functioning well. There might be there might be manufacturing defects in the I'm sure that the machine will not work effectively. I am sure that the machine will not work properly in the future. So then this part is the 2. This is the body part 2. This is the content. And last, let me write here the third. And this is what. And what I'm doing here, this is I'm giving for the explanation. I put here 2, 3. Don't do in the exam. Okay. See, since the product is within guarantee period. Since the product is within guarantee period, I would like to request you to replace. Since the product is within the guarantee period, I would like to request you to replace the machine. I would appreciate if you replace the item at the earliest. I hope my letter will reach you soon. Thanking you. Here, and this 1, 2, 3, this is the body. Okay? Here, the last is what? Complementary closing. What will be here? Yours truly. Comma. And suppose you are a girl, then your name is here is for the girl Amanda. Now students, your letter is ready now. See, let me read out. I regret to tell you that the machine is not working properly. It creates noises and stops all of a sudden. Our clothes do not get properly washed and remain dirty. Hence, we face many problems. The dryer is also not functioning well. There might be manufacturing defects in the machine. I'm sure that the machine will not work properly in the future. Since the product is within guarantee period, I would like to request you to replace the machine. I would appreciate if you replace the item at the earliest. I hope my letter will reach you soon. Thanking you, yours truly. Don't put apostrophe here. This is right. And suppose you are a boy, you write Jack. And if you're a girl, you write Amanda, because the name is given here. You cannot write your own name, okay? Your actual, your real name. So this is the format. Students, you learn this. For any complaint letter, if you learn this, then from the complaint letter is about this is for the washing machine. If you complain about any products, you can replace only some words and you can make it in a different way. So for today, let me conclude my lecture. See you in the next video. Thank you.